because she lost her father. He decided to buy her a ticket. Oh my god, who is this woman? Good afternoon, besties. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday and I'm in the kitchen as usual. I finished preparing lunch. I didn't vlog that because I wanted to finish quickly. To-do list: cleaning the fridge, cleaning the cabinets. But before I start cleaning, I would like to share this with everyone out there. So sometimes I feel like we, the employees, we are the problem. Why am I saying this? My coworker, the one I've been telling you in my vlogs that she traveled for her father's burial, on Wednesday last week, I wasn't around, I was away. I took kids for football. They have a summer camp. When we reached here, I came here in the kitchen. I tried to talk to her, ask her what really happened. She wasn't saying anything. I asked her like many times, but she wasn't saying anything. So I decided to chill. I went up, I started doing my work. I was ironing. So after like 2 hours, after like I think it was like 1 hour, she came up. She was calm and she told me that she lost her father. I was shocked and we hugged her, we consoled her, we did everything. As you know, you guys, then we stopped there. Me, I don't know what really happened. So she came back here in the kitchen and I think she tried to talk to my boss and they decided to buy her a ticket to go home and bury her father. So my boss bought 2 tickets, express, you guys. He bought for her 2 tickets for going and coming back because she said she's going to come back. And the next day, imagine my boss, the man, he's always busy. He's such a busy man. He drove her from here to Dubai, to the airport, from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. She went. From there, that's when she stopped talking to us. We tried sending the messages, asking her if she reached, if she's okay, if she's doing fine. But she never, ever replied. Never. She would... like for the first few days, she would see our messages and she leave them on blue tick. So the time for coming back reached. Okay, so we asked her, are you coming back? Blah blah blah. She wasn't responding. My boss is not around. They traveled for vacation and he sent the driver to go and pick her from the airport. Okay, she wasn't communicating at all, but my boss thought she's going to come back. So he sent the driver to go to the airport to pick her up. When the driver reached there, they looked for her everywhere. She was nowhere to be seen. The driver had to come back. My boss was asking me on WhatsApp, saying what happened to her, why she's not coming back. I told my boss, I don't know. Because she also left here. Ever since she left, we have been sending her message. She doesn't say anything. We were here like talking as, you know, as workers. I have my other 2 co-workers. We were here talking like if she didn't want to come back, at least when she reached there, in her country, she should have communicated and told my boss that I'm not coming back, so that my boss cannot lose like 2 times the ticket for 2 times. She should have communicated and that I'm not going to come back, please cancel that ticket. Of course, my boss wouldn't have gone there like in her country to beat her or to pick her, to take her to the police. He would have cancelled the ticket and they give him his money back. I don't know, but she never communicated, she never said anything. And mind you, my boss was always good. She's been here for 4 months and everything was okay, everything was good. So we don't know what happened, why I don't know if she didn't want to work. But even if you didn't want to work, she should have communicated, like told my boss, I don't want to work, I want to go back home. So my boss lost. Why am I sharing with you this? I'm sharing with you this because this is not the first time happening. It happened even before. My boss also bought a ticket for someone. They went home and they never come back. He did it another time. So why I'm sharing with you this, my boss is never going to do this again. And it is not his fault. This is because of our co-workers. You are spoiling things for us. Because even if my family member die now, and I tell my boss I want to go home, he is not going to accept because of what has been happening. Other maids would come here and something would happen, they cry, they say, I want to go back home, and my boss would say, you will not go back home. And then the employee would start saying, my boss is not nice, he's a bad person, why is he not letting me go? Because of what happened before. That's why, you guys. So that's what really happened. But I think sometimes we need to think, at least if you're afraid to talk, when you reach home, talk, so that they can cancel the ticket. They don't lose like 2 times. It's not a good thing. This is giving us employees like bad name. We shouldn't be paying people bad when they are good to us. Anyways, so enough of that, besties. We are going to start cleaning the fridge. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the post notification. How do I look, you guys? I'm using the DJI, in case you're wondering. Let's start cleaning. So this is our fridge.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You're the pretty girl, you're fucking real. For me to see, I'ma show you what me to be. Love. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Even when I'm sitting there alone, all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
So guys, I have finished to clean our fridge. Right now I'm going to put everything back inside. The shelves, I'm going to put them back inside. Also this side, I cleaned here and put back the dates. These are dates. So I'm just going to put back everything. I hope I remember how I removed them because they are going to confuse me. Yes. So I'm going to be checking all of these, which one is expired, which one is not expired. and I'll get back to you guys because it's going to be a long journey, trust me. So let me first check which one is expired, which one is not expired, and then I'll get back to you guys. So besties, I hope you can see me. I've managed to find these, how do I call them? Okay, these ones for keeping the glasses very well. And I got this one and I got this one. Yeah, but I still need some more. I will talk to my boss so that she can buy more of this. So yeah, so we have also this one here, and all of these ones, they are expired. So don't come for me, guys. I'm not the one who works in the kitchen. I'm just a visitor. I just come and go. So these all are expired. I checked them, they are all expired, and some they are actually new. Like this one, we haven't used it, it's very new. There is also this one is new. There is also mayonnaise. This mayonnaise is halfway, not even halfway, it's a quarter. And then we have this one, we didn't use this one. Expired on the 7th of this month. And this one also, this one is done. I don't see why I am keeping it. This one also is still new, we didn't use it. And this expired in May. This one is spoiled. I don't know what's inside, but it's spoiled. I'm going to put the rest back in the fridge. So I've put things there up and I've put some here. Besties, I'm done with cleaning the fridge. Right now I'm going to be cleaning the cabinets, the kitchen cabinets. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video.